I got some steaks in here that I'm doing a seasoning test on, and I want to get a quick temperature read. So today I have the Alpha Griller's instant read thermometer. You open it up, it turns right on. It's got a magnet on the back so you can keep it somewhere convenient. And then it has all your normal settings, and also it has a chart of your standard donenesses. Now, of course, I go by my own stuff, but that's really nice if you're a beginner or you just want a quick reference. Let's go ahead. We're going to take it in here, see if I can get this. This one does not flip, but for me, it doesn't matter. I can read it upside down. I'm going to put it in here, and then I'll do a replay with it upside down. So I'm going to go ahead and check this one because it looks like the thickest one. 157. All right, those are a little more done than I wanted them to be, so they're ready to come off. So check this out. Almost instantly read that steak. So if you're looking for a good budget-friendly instant read thermometer, this one might be a good choice for you.